Hey Sabine, what did you learn how to do today?
Ride my bike with no training wheels.
What did you say?
Ride my bike with no training wheels.
Can you show us?
Okay. Come on. My grandma's a got an arm Spider-Man.
Yeah. Did you want to help? I was asking Sabine if it would be alright if you tried her bike. You want to try it? No. Not yet? Okay.
Are you going to be a superhero? What kind?
I think Grandma's going to get going. Yes. But just for a few more minutes. You got Dad and Mom to play with.
Come on. Come on, Simon. You know how to play with me.
Two Spider-Mans? Oh my gosh, I don't have a football stand here.
Yeah, no, it's like, well, I was going to put it in my pocket, it was like,
Okay, I have
Woohoo!
warning about.
Backwards.
Good job, just forgot the brakes.